at you.
Guys, me and Allie just got set up, and as you can tell, this bird is hammering right over this hill here. Oh my, he's going nuts, and he's getting closer. Oh, he's hammering. This morning, these birds were roosted right here on this hillside, and they went in a really weird direction. So this evening, we came out and popped this blind up. That bird's interrupting me, and hopefully he comes back to roost here. It's sounding pretty good so far, so hopefully we can get the old girl on. Put it up here. Alright guys, this bird's coming.
I'm not gonna be moving around till he gets in my shop.
Yeah.
Because I can't really move this thing.
Yeah, he's getting right here.
I see him.
Where's he
On
at?
the other side,
Oh, he is.
I think. Unless I just saw something.
Bust you out of the chair.
Ow, my.
Oh yeah, that's as picture perfect as you want it. That bird was hammering over here all afternoon. Oh, it's nice getting Allie a bird, and especially like this, because she don't really like running and gunning. But this worked perfect. I mean, this bird came right to the decoys. That was pretty. Oh my God, you can't ask for much more than that. What do you think about that? That's what I'm talking about. If you talk about literally a picture perfect hunt, that's picture perfect. Because these birds this morning were roosted right here. And I told Allie, I said, I think if we get in this blind and come up here this evening, we might be able to kill him. And right away this evening, as soon as we set up, this bird was gobbling over here. And I mean, it maybe took an hour, it took him a little bit to come in, but once he finally broke, you could kind of tell whenever he was coming because he'd shut up. And then whenever he'd shut up and he'd gobble again, he'd get closer and closer and closer, but it's about as picture perfect as you want. It's my girl. Alright, you wanna call your dad?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go grab him. Alright guys, well, here he is. You couldn't ask for a much better hunt overall. Especially whenever you take her. She's not much of a run and gun kind of girl, but it worked really good this evening. You know, these birds this morning, they really tricked us. They're roosted in honestly a really weird spot. It's not a very long strip of woods at all. And there's not just much woods there in general. And you know, me thinking, well, these birds are gonna go to the bigger hardwoods, they totally did the opposite. But this morning I had her crawling around and we were all wet. I was like, well, I hope she wants to go again. And I told her this evening we might just go sit in the blind right there and see if we'll come back and roost there. And as soon as we set up that blind, it was about 4:30, and I dropped her off in the blind and she was starting to set up, and I called one time and he hammered right away. And you know, I kind of got that hunch like this might happen this evening, and it took him probably an hour, but he was hammering. There's people shooting guns around. Every time they'd shoot, he'd hammer right back to it. But you couldn't draw up a more picture perfect hunt as far as filming goes, especially. It's just nice when everything works out like that. She did a great job. Really proud of her. I hope you guys have been enjoying this. It's been fun so far this year. We've got 4 birds in 5 days, so it's been going pretty good. I gotta go back to school this week, which sucks. But we'll be back after it this weekend for sure. Hopefully we can get some more birds down for you. We got 2 more weeks left, I guess. Yeah, you got this weekend, this next weekend, and the weekend after, and then that'll wrap it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's about as picture perfect as it gets. Not every hunt goes like that. I mean, you wish it would, but it don't always happen that easy. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this one.